Okay, we're back with the Land Cruiser N2JZ swap. This should be the last time we're putting an engine in the car. Hopefully, all prepped and painted. That was in our last video about the engine build. Got the engine bay ready. We got our torque converter and bell housing. So let's see if we can get this. So we're back on the Land Cruiser. I got the motor back in it. I decided that actually, you can see right here, got the motor pulled up a little bit, but see where that front drive shaft goes? It's really close to that lower oil pan. So here I'm using the plasma cutter to basically make a C-notch in the oil pan. Also, I'm going to cut out the oil plug as well and relocate it. I cut the oil pan plug. Put it right there. Yeah, that'd be good. Hold it up. It fits really good on the other side. I've already checked it. Gotta plate this in. So here I'm using a piece of cardboard or CAD design to cut out a piece of sheet metal. Here I've got sheet metal and I'm going to tack weld it and then kind of hammer it around as I go. This takes a little bit, so we'll time lapse this here in a minute. Okay, since we have the oil pan done now, we've got our motor mounts. We have S13 2JZ motor mounts right there. We have several arrays of stock Toyota mounts, and these are silica mounts. We're going to see which ones fit and which ones can be modified, and we'll figure something out. So we've figured out we're going to use the S13 mounts. I'm going to slice them here and bolt it to the block. This is like, I think it's actually a 4Runner mount.
Yep.
And we're going to make it the difference between that.
Okay, so we're back. So this side, I've got our 4Runner style mount, and I've got my JZ to S13 mount chopped up. Now this side, we've got a combination of, I didn't actually cut the silica plate, I just traced it on this side and made my own plate because I didn't want to sacrifice the silica mount just for that. And then I've got it plated up and just sitting up against the S13 mount, and we're really close. So now I'm just gonna weld up a little bit. I've got it sitting pretty level where I want it, and once I get them stiff and where I want it, I am going to pull them back off, check a few things, and weld it up.
so I got the mounts all welded up and painted. Now we're just final assembly. Get her finished up.
I like it.
Looks like it belongs there.
It
There's
does.
plenty of room on both sides for turbos. And then you can keep the turbo badge up front.
I think we need a turbo.
I mean, I sent you the turbo manifold because
Oh,
it would bolt right here and the exhaust goes right down.
No, I
Because the
knew.
long tube would go down
I
there.
knew why you would send me the.
And the adapter. Because I could not find a log manifold that would fit a GE for some reason. Well, I found an aluminum one, but it was like $500. I just run it. Here I'm tightening the mounts to the block, and then we're going to lower it down and finish it up. So we got our engine secured and mounted. It's actually looking really good with plenty of room. Next video we'll be doing some cooling system, intake and exhaust, as well as wiring. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content.